To your disciples. So from many days we are hearing the Bhajan Rahasya of Bhakti Vinod Thakur. In this Granth, the Bhakti Vinod Thakur, in the first Yama Sadhan, he is discussing about Shraddha and Nishant Kaleen Bhajan. The sadhak in this world while roaming, when because of the Bhakti Mulak Sukriti gets developed, then by the association of Satsanga with a firm Shraddha, he hears Bhagwan's Katha. Without the mercy of the Mahat, the saints, the relationship of this materialistic world cannot be destroyed. What to talk about the Krishna Bhakti? आगे होए मुक्ति, तबे होए कर्म बंध नाश. So the first, in this world for many births we have been roaming, becoming dog, becoming other animals. And in the human form of life also we have done so many sins. And because of those prarabdha and aprarabdha karma, in this body we are getting the results of those karmas. And we are being burned by three types of miseries: Adhidevik, Adhibhautik and Adhyatmik. So there is no way out. There is no way to go out of this materialistic world. That Yam Maharaj, he is always after you. So where can you run away from this materialistic world? But when, knowingly or unknowingly, when one develops the Bhakti Mulak Sukriti, then in the association of the saints, by hearing, one gets the interest in hearing the Katha. Just like we heard from Prabhuji, that once one get the ruchi, interest in the Katha, it is because of the Sukritis of many births. Vishwaksen Kathasu Yana Utpadayate Diratim Shrama Evahi Kevalam. So if one does not have any interest in the Harikatha and he is doing so many things, then it is all useless. So getting the interest in the Harikatha is not a very easy thing. So when the sadhak comes from Shraddha to the Ruchi, so Prabhuji has explained the Ruchi of two types. Vastu Vashishta Apekshaniya and Vastu Vashishta Anapekshaniya. just like when we have come to see the Vigraha. If the Vigraha is decorated very beautifully, giving so many nice flowers, like the Phool Bangla, because of the lockdown, the Phool Bangla is not going on in the Banke Bihari, in the biggest temples of thousands rupees of flowers. The temple is decorated. So they even spend like lakhs of rupees to decorate the Banki Bihari temple with the flowers. That is called the Palace of Flowers, Phool Bangla. So, what to talk about the lakhs of rupees, even the billions of rupees one spends in the service of the Lord, then it is less. Because everything belongs to Lord, in whose lotus feet even the big Brahmas and other designated officers, they offer pranam to the lotus feet of that Supreme Lord. The biggest of the demigods, when they offer pranams to the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord, and the crowns on the head of the demigods, and when they like many demigods, when they are offering pranam, their crowns gets touched with each other, and there is a sound that produced with the touching of those crowns. So that sound is also very nice. So even the Brahma of many mouths, the Shivji, the Indra, the Digpals, the Lord of all directions, they offer pranams to the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord. The Lord of this universe, the Chaturmukh Brahma, once he thought that let me go and see the Lord. So he came in the Dwarikapuri to have the darshan of Bhagwan. And Bhagwan's desire was also like that, and the Dwarpal, the gatekeepers, asked him, the Brahma, he said that I want to see the Lord. The gatekeepers said, the Dwarpal, the gatekeepers, they came near to the Lord and said, Bhagwan was busy in Sudharma Sabha. The assembly of Lord Krishna in the Dwarika is called Sudharma Sabha. Assembly's name is Sudharma. So the Swayam Bhagwan is busy in his managing his kingdom's task. So then Lord looked at the gatekeepers and asked that why you are standing here. They said that one person has come to see you. Sarv Antaryami Bhagwan knows everything, but still he asked that who has come. Ask him that who has come. The gatekeepers, they came and asked that who are you? Then he said that tell the Lord that my name is Brahma. Then the gatekeepers again came and said that Brahma has come. Brahma? Which Brahma? So ask him which Brahma. So then they again said that Prabhuji is asking that who are you? Which Brahma are you? Brahmaji, he was surprised to this question. Then my name is Chaturmukh Brahma and I am father of Sanak. So give my this introduction that I am the father of Sanakadik Rishi and I am Chaturmukh Brahma, four-mouthed Brahma. The gatekeepers again came to the Lord and said that the Chaturmukh Brahma has come. Then the Prabhu allowed him to enter. When the Brahma came inside the palace,
ब्रह्मा जी के पूछा सब कुशल
Bhagavan
है।
Krishna asked Brahma that is
ब्रह्मा
everything
जी
good.
कहने लगे प्रभु
Brahma ji
मेरा
said
मन में एक संशय बा
that I have a doubt in my mind.
है ये आमा भाई आशी कोई ब्रह्मा ब्रह्मा जी के मन में
That
एक ही
is there any another
अहंकार
Brahma
था
also? Brahma was having only one pride that I am the only Brahma in this universe.
है।
I am the only one
भगवान कृष्ण
creator.
कुछ नहीं बोले
Bhagavan Krishna did not say anything, but he just smiled.
देखो जो माया के द्वारा क्या है
And with the help of Yogamaya, he did a
हजार
leela
रूप वाले ब्रह्मा आ गए
that the
ये तो चार
Brahmas
हाथ
with
वाला
thousands of faces, they appeared.
है कोई सोलह
Someone having 8
ऐसे
mouth,
पूरे हजारों
someone having 16, 32. In this way, 1000 mouth Brahma came.
और देखो ब्रह्मा भगवान की ऐसी भी लीला है जितने ब्रह्मा जी आए दिख पा रहे
All
हैं,
those
उनका
Brahmas,
आप
they
एक
came.
दूसरे को देख नहीं पा रहे।
They were not
चार माथा
able
वाले
to
ब्रह्मा जी
see each other, but the four-mouth Brahma was able to see everyone.
और भगवान सबकी कुशल वार्ता पूछते हैं।
And Bhagavan started asking the well-being of all.
ब्रह्मा आदि देवता लोग
So all those Brahmas, when they are offering the pranams to the Lord, the crowns, they started making noise when they were meeting. The crowns were meeting with each other, and that is why they were making sound, just like a big elephant.
और उस हाथी के सामने
And
छोटा
in
सा
front of
जैसे
that elephant, if there is a small insect
है,
comes, so in the same way that four-mouth Brahma is like that an insect in front of the Lord, then the Bhagwan, he asked everyone to leave.
चतुर्मुख वाले ब्रह्मा
Then at last the Chaturmukh Brahma, he came near to the Lord.
ब्रह्मा जी कहने लगे प्रभु
Brahma ji said, "O Prabhu, that my doubt which was there in my heart, that you have destroyed all my doubts. I was having this false ego
मैं ही सब
that I am the only Brahma."
इसे पता अनंत करोड़ विश्व ब्रह्मांड एक नहीं कितने ब्रह्मांड है
So there are so many
और नारी कितने ब्रह्मांड
universes and there are many Brahmas.
इसी तो ब्रह्मा जी के कहने पर जानते वो जान कोई कार्य मैं को जान लिया
That is why Brahma said in his stuti that even if someone says that I have known, I have understood the Lord, but I say that being the creator of this universe, I do not understand the Supreme Lord.
भगवान महिनो लोचान में एक वो भी चिरण चिरकाल तो भ्रमण करते रहे
Even for a very long time, if someone keep on searching for the Lord, one cannot understand completely the Supreme Lord. Only by the mercy of the Lord one can understand
आइए
Him.
कथा में रुचि के बारे में आपने लोगों ने श्रवण
So you have heard about the Ruchi,
वस्तु वैशिष्ट
Vastu Vaishishtya, Anapekshaniya.
एक पहले होता है अपेक्षित
First is Apekshaniya.
है ठाकुर जी के सुंदर रूप में
Looking at the beautiful form of Thakurji,
ठाकुर जी के सामने खड़े
then we will keep on staring Thakurji for some time, enjoying the darshan
दलित है भगवान
that Bhagwan is Tribangal Lalit, how he is standing beautifully.
भाव में हम गदगद हो जाते हैं
And out of our
करते हैं
feelings, we keep on doing the Stav Stuti. We felt so enjoyed looking at the Thakurji who is so much decorated with the flowers. Like in Banke Bihari, there are like full bangla of like millions of rupees.
कितना सुंदर
So how beautiful it
और
is.
ये भी छोड़िए गोलोक वृंदावन त्रिदिश्वर उसमें तो 10 लाख का कितने करोड़ करोड़ अरब करोड़ है मणि माणिक का रुपए की तो
And what to talk about the Golok Vrindavan, how opulent, how beautiful the Golok Vrindavan is, decorated with great jewels, gems.
भगवान की जब सजाया जाता है भगवान जब विराज
When the Bhagwan is decorated with beautiful flowers and he is situated in the Golok Vrindavan, how beautiful it would be in that Chit Jagat.
जो कुल वर्णन कर
How much he is glorified, who can glorify him completely?
खुदी की कल्पना नहीं है
It is not an imagination of a poet, because a poet, when he writes out of the imagination of his mind.
क्या उड़ता है? पक्षीराज घोड़ा उड़ता है, घोड़ा उड़ता है, उड़ता है।
Just like if a poet writes that a horse is flying in the sky, a poet can write out of his imagination, but the horse never flies in the sky. So for a poet, it is always an imagination.
किंतु अपराध चित्त जगत में
But for the aprakrit chit jagat, the spiritual world, where our mind cannot reach, cross the boundaries of the Golok Vrindavan.
अचिंत
In the Upanishad, it is said,
प्रतीक व परिवर्तन अचिंत से लक्ष्य अचिंत भगवान
Bhagwan is achintya,
हमारे
inconceivable.
मन बुद्धि आदि के
Our mind, intelligence, we cannot think about the Lord, how He is. Though we still see the Vigraha in this world, for the benefit of the Lord, the Bhagwan, for the benefit of the Jivas, the Bhagwan has appeared in the form of Vigraha from the Golok Vrindavan in this materialistic world. So being merciful, Bhagwan gives us the darshan. Though we are not qualified, Shubha Drishti Karo Prabhu Jagate Prati, Jakuka Hridaya Morasu Mangalarati.
हम भगवान के दर्शन करेंगे ये अहंकार है
So if we say that I will see the Lord, this is our false ego, because with our materialistic eyes, how can we see the Lord? Shubha Drishti Kara Prabhu Jagate Prati, that Lord will do and Lord will look at us with His auspicious sight.
नेत्र प्रदान आदि करें
When the Bhagwan mercifully gives us the transcendental eyes, then only we can see the Divya Aprakrit, the Lord, which is transcendental.
आंखों की तरह हम भगवान
By these materialistic eyes, we cannot see Him. And even if we see with the materialistic eyes, we will consider the Lord as matter, that which stone it is made up of, whether it is made up of the stone of Jaipur, whether it is white marble or the black marble.
ऐसे सुंदर चिन्मय विग्रह की हमारे पसंद बुद्धि है
So that beautiful transcendental Vigraha, we see it as a marble because of our materialistic eyes.
चिदानंद विग्रह
Ishvara Parama
अनादि
Krishna.
आदि गोविंद सर्व कारण कारण वो चिन्मय भगवान
So that the Chinmay Bhagwan, transcendental Bhagwan,
उसके दर्शन के लिए हमें क्या प्रमाण
for
देना चाहिए
to see Him, what we need is Bhakti Vilochanena. We need the eyes of Bhakti.
गोविंदम आदि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि तब तो भगवान की दर्शन
So only by the eyes of Bhakti we can see the Lord.
और भगवान की यही प्रार्थना करें इसलिए भगवत दर्शन की भी बताया दो प्रकार पद्धति बताया
There are two ways to see the Lord or the Sri
एक
Murti.
है
One is
अलंकार दर्शन और एक
Alankar
है
Darshan,
क्या बताया आंगिक दर्शन
Angik Darshan, Ang Darshan.
अलंकार आज ठाकुर जी किसके
Alankar means how beautiful ornaments are being used
अलंकार दर्शन
to decorate the Lord. That is called Alankar Darshan.
विश्वनाथ
Alankar means the ornaments. The Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur, he writes in a Granth
भगवान की कैसे कैसे सुंदर
that how beautiful ornaments,
विगत सरकार को सजाया गया
that how the Lord is being decorated. The Yugal Sarkar has been decorated. The Lalita, Vishakha, Adi Sakhis,
अलंकार आदि
they with all the ornaments, they make it,
राधे के हृदय में नाची
they decorate the Krishna and Radha with those
आप माधुर्य की प्रकार
ornaments.
कृष्ण भावना मुनि ग्रंथ में
In the Krishna Bhavana Amrit,
समस्त सरस वर्णन
so these all nectarian subjects have been explained.
इस प्रकार ठाकुर जी जो दर्शन आदि करते हैं दर्शन करके आप में डूब जाते हैं
So by doing this Alankar Darshan, one feels great bhav, tadatma, that how beautiful the Lord
और ये
is.
होता है अंगिक दर्शन
Another
ठाकुर
is
जी
the
अंग
Angik
दर्शन
Darshan,
करते हैं।
looking at the beautiful body parts of the
जैसे
Krishna,
सिद्धार्थ की तिरछी नजर जो है
that how beautiful his
कितनी
glance
सुंदर उनकी
is,
मुखारविंद है।
eyes, how beautiful his face is.
इनके सुंदर हस्त परिहास
how beautiful is his joking with the gopis, has parihas.
समस्त प्रकृति देख करके सब क्या हो जाते गोपियां
So looking at all these things, the gopis, they feel the bhav and they become completely immersed in the
ये
bhav.
दर्शन कहा जाता है
This is called the
जैसे
darshan.
एक उदाहरण देते
Gurudev used to give example
दिल्ली की कोई एक लड़की है
that if a girl of Delhi,
विवाह के पश्चात
after
वृंदावन में
marriage, she comes to Vrindavan,
है। उन्होंने कृष्ण की तो महिमा सुना श्रवण किया
she have heard the glories of Krishna, but she has never seen him.
लड़की हस्तिनापुर की लड़की
She is of Hastinapur,
विवाह
Delhi.
कहाँ पर हुई दूसरा वृंदावन में
So she got married in Vrindavan. She belongs to Hastinapur, but she got married in Vrindavan.
गोविंद की महिमा तो श्रवण किया सुना
So she had heard the glories of Govinda, but have never seen Govinda. That how does he look like?
प्रातः काल में
So Krishna every day in the morning with his friends, when he goes for herding cows,
मोहल्ला में कोई कोई रोग पड़ जाता है
so in the
एक ही होता है
everyone in the street or in the area is speaking that the Govinda is coming, Govinda is coming.
गोविंद दर्शन करने के लिए
To see the Govinda, everyone is so enthusiastic.
घाट पर चले आए
Someone goes on the top
एकांत में
to see the Lord, to see the Govinda at a lonely place, alone.
यह तुझे आवारा वृद्ध वनिता
And even
तुझे बच्चा से
the small
बालक से
childs
युवा से लेकर के
and the young
वृद्ध आदि
and even the old, there is no one who is not enthusiastic about seeing a Govinda. They celebrate the Nayan Utsav, the festival of eyes.
आंखों के द्वारा दर्शन करके आनंद की एक
So by seeing the Lord with the eyes, they feel such a great festive mood in their heart. Just like when we celebrate the Bhandara, in that Bhandara,
अनेक प्रकार के जो है मिष्ठान
there are so many type of
अनेक
sweets.
प्रकार के जो है
There are so many types of
सब्जी आदि बना के
sabjis and other things, food items.
यहाँ में क्या
So as soon as we hear that there are so many nice items, we get mouth watered
है
that today is Bhandara. We will enjoy it.
उसी प्रकार गोपियों की
So in the same way, the gopis, for the gopis, what is the Bhandara? What is the festival? Is the darshan of the Govinda, Nayana Utsav.
अपने अपने गृह कर्म आदि
So the gopis, leaving all their household activities,
पर जाके खड़ी हो गई
they stand at their respective places to see the Lord, to see the Govinda.
देखो उस अपराध का दिव्य वृंदावन
In that aprakrit Divya Vrindavan,
कृष्ण गोचारण करने के लिए जा
the Krishna is going for the Gocharan.
पहले पहले धूल उठते रहा है
The dust is flowing.
गोविंद आदि गाय पहले आ जाता है बछड़ा जो है
So first the calves are ahead, then the cows are there, then the sakhas are there, and then Balaram is there, and then at last is the Govinda.
वही बात गोविंद सभी की दर्शन देते हुए
Govind giving darshan to everyone and with a very nice smile, Mand Muskan, looking at the gopis, he is coming, the Govind is coming.
एक वृद्धा
One old gopi,
अभी जो आपने बताया कौन हस्तिनापुर की जो लड़की जो है
the girl who got married from the Hastinapur, she came to Vrindavan,
विचार करने लगी
she started thinking
मैं तो गोविंद की कुछ महिमा श्रवण किया
that I have heard the glories of the Govind, but I have never seen him.
है किंतु सास क्या कहने लगी
But the mother-in-law said
बाहर मत जा
that do not go out,
अंदर रहना
you stay
ये नंद
inside.
के पुत्र नहीं है नंद
Because
के
this is not the son of Nanda, this is the ghost of Nanda. This is not Nanda ka Put, this is Nanda ka Bhoot. That's like the ghost, when it comes on someone, then it is for that person, everything is destroyed. So you should not go outside. You are a new married,
घूंघट लगा करके बैठ
so you should cover your face and sit inside.
है देखो वो जरनी वृद्धा
So that
उनकी हृदय में भी
old lady, the mother-in-law, she is also having the restless mind to see Govinda. So she herself came out to see Govinda. That old lady, the mother-in-law, so she is stopping the daughter-in-law and she is started looking at the Govinda. But this newly married girl, she is having so much curiosity. So at least for the one time I should see the Govinda, maybe a very little. So what she did, leaving all her um, shyness or the shame, she came out. And as soon as she looked at Govinda, she became like a statue. She could not move. For the first time, she has seen Govinda. Before that, she had never seen Govinda. How beautiful the form of Govinda is. Having the beautiful ornaments. So, in that Grantha, the beautiful form is explained. Our Goswamis, Rup Goswami and other Goswamis, in many Ashtaks, they have written very beautiful form of Krishna when the Krishna goes out for cow herding, and after the cow herding, when he comes back to the Braj. In the Gopi Gita also it is very nicely explained. Atati yad bhavan ahani kananam. In the Gopi Gita, in this shlok it is said, Govinda, when he comes back to the Braj after Gocharan, how beautiful his form is. So this shlok explains that beautiful form. So that newly married girl, for the first time, she has seen the Govinda. And she has become like a statue. She could not move. Govinda, just like he has stolen the heart of everyone and is moving. After some time, the mother-in-law came and she was searching, where is my Bahu? Where is my daughter-in-law? Where are you? Where are you? She is not in the house. Then she saw that she is standing outside the gate and there is no consciousness in her body. Then the mother-in-law said, that is why I stopped you. I warned you that do not look at Govinda. So that is, he is not the son of Nanda, he is Dhurta. He is like a ghost and he has come on you now. So by somehow she moved her and brought her back to the house and said, oh Bahu, that you churn the curd. That you go in that room, the curd is there and you churn it. And in the room where the curd is, what she did? She did not carry the curd. Huh? So she brought the mustard and started churning the mustard seeds. And the all mustard seed got spread in the courtyard. And the mother-in-law saw that, what are you doing? I asked you to churn the curd, not the mustard seeds. Because it is very difficult to collect the seeds of the mustard when they are spread all over the ground. So the mother-in-law, she again got engaged in some other work. Then she said to the daughter-in-law that do one thing, that have this pot and the rope and get the water from the well. So she is very new. How can she go alone? So she got one small child of the neighbors and having the pot and the rope in the hand, and she is going towards the well to get the water. So she has to drop the pot inside the well. What she did, she tied the rope with the neck of that small child and thrown it inside the well. And then someone saw and he shouted that, "What are you doing? That he is not a pot, he is a boy." So this kind of state comes in the Govinda Darshan. So who can explain what happens when one sees the Govinda? The Vigraha Darshan is of two types. Alankar Darshan and Angik Darshan. The Vigraha Darshan is of two types. Alankar is of two types. Just like we say Nana with Alankar, Kare Jhalamal. Nana with Alankar Kare Jhalamal. On the body of the Yugala Sarkar, the ornaments, they are giving light, they are giving luster. Just like the Priya and Priyatama, just like the lovers, Premi and Premika, how they look at each other. They just keep on looking, staring at each other, and they do not care about anyone else. Keep on looking at each other only, eye to eye. Just like if you see someone who are lovers, their eyes are on each other only, not going anywhere else. For one person's donkey has lost, then he came to that place and he is saying that the eyes are so. The Premi is saying to the Premika that your eyes are so beautiful that I can see the whole universe in your beautiful eyes. Then he said, that person said, if you can see the whole universe in her eyes, then can you find my donkey also? Where is my donkey in her eyes? So this world is so strange. So the materialistic lovers, they keep on looking at each other, staring at each other continuously. Then what to talk about the Govinda, who is transcendental? How beautiful his form would be, it is impossible to explain. In the Madhurya Kadambini, in the last he says that I am an offender. Oh, this Govinda's form is so beautiful that I am comparing it with some materialistic example, just like a big mountain. I am comparing it with a small chickpea. वही एक ही बात है. So comparing the big mountain with a small seed. So in the same way, Vishwa Chakravarti Thakur is saying that how can I compare the Lord with some small materialistic example? Bhagwan has Saurasya, Swarupya. When the Bhagwan manifest all these, his various qualities of his beautiful form in front of the devotee, then the devotee, when he sees, he becomes fainted, he becomes unconscious to look at all the beautiful qualities of the Govind's beauty. No one can be stable after looking at Govind. The vigraha that you are looking right now, this vigraha you will be able to see in that form.
ये सनातन धर्म में
In this Rup Sanatan Gauriya Math, I remember when the Vigraha Pratishtha was there, my Gurudev Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj,
विग्रह प्रतिष्ठा के 2 दिन बाद
after 2 days he came after the Vigraha
के नाते
Pratishtha, though he was not well, so he came late.
जिस दिन विग्रह प्रतिष्ठा हुई उस दिन आज
So Vaman Goswami Maharaj could not come on the day of Vigraha Pratishtha.
है यही रूप सनातन कोई मत नहीं बताया
So I am talking about this Rup Sanatan Gauriya Math that I have seen with my eyes,
शिला गुरुदेव
that Srila Gurudev,
ज्ञान बख्शे महाराज
Narayan Goswami Maharaj and Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj,
खड़े
they were standing near the Vigraha, just like where you are standing. My Gurudev, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj,
कुछ समय ऐसे दर्शन करने
he was looking at the Vigraha,
और मैंने भी देखा
and I also saw, the devotees also saw
शरीर में थोड़ा
that in his body there was a shivering
आंखों की आंसू की धारा
and there was tears in his eyes.
कुछ समय के बाद शिला
And
गुरुदेव
after some time, Srila Gurudev
कहने लगे महाराज
said to the Vaman Goswami Maharaj that Maharaj, that your this Vigraha is apurva, unparalleled,
ना होता ना
that it has not appeared before, and if it this kind of Vigraha will not come in the future also.
होता है
Who can see this Vigraha?
उत्तम भागवत की
Uttam Bhagavat only can see the Vigraha.
हमारे हृदय में
In our heart, in our mind, what we see is not the Vigraha, we see the marble,
जड़ दर्शन
we see the materialistic
किंतु
thing,
उत्तम भागवत जो होते
the
हैं
stone, but the Uttam Bhagavat, they have the transcendental darshan.
इतने सुंदर विग्रह
That how beautiful this Vigraha is.
है इसे कहते हैं भक्तिमोहन ठाकुर जो लिखा नानाविध अलंकार
Bhaktivinoda Thakur writes, Nanavidha Alankar Kare Jhalmal, Harimal Vimohana Vadan Ujjwal. That how beautiful Lord's form is Hari Mana Vimohan.
विंशति प्रकार की जो है आप अलंकार भी बताए
There are 20 types of Alankar.
कितने अलंकार के द्वारा इस विग्रह के जो है सजाया जाता है
With how many types of Alankars, the Vigraha can be decorated.
अलंकार जो है
So there are various types of Alankar. The Uttam Mahabhagavad, they can see those Alankar.
इसके विशेष विवरण
So its explanation is present in the Ujjwal Neenmani or in the Jaiva Dharma. Nanavidha Alankar Kore Jhalmal.
एक तो भाव अलंकार और एक अलंकार के द्वारा सज्जित है इसमें विग्रह दर्शन भी बता देगा भगवान की इतनी सुंदर स्वरूप
Bhagwan's very beautiful form, with the bhav only one
इसे
can
कहा
see.
जाता है जैसे जैसे साधक होते हैं, तो साधक अपने अपने अनुसार
According to the
अधिकार
sadhak's
के
own
अनुसार
qualification,
विग्रह के दर्शन करते हैं।
they can see the Vigraha.
और उसी प्रकार उसकी लीला जब स्फूर्ति होती है
And as per the qualification of the sadhak, the leelas gets manifested in the heart. That how beautiful the Alankar are.
भाव अलंकार
Bhav Alankar
जो अलंकार हमने प्राप्त कर पाए हैं।
and the Alankar that we have offered to the Lord.
ये दोनों ही अलंकार के द्वारा
So both the ornaments, they attract the heart, whether they are the Bhav Alankar or the external Alankar that we have offered.
समस्त प्रकार के जो है देह रहित
And the one who is able to see all these things, that person is beyond all these materialistic foundations.
जो रुचि दशा में साधक जब पूछते हैं
In the state of Ruchi, when the sadhak reaches,
वस्तु वैशिष्ट
one is Vastu Vaishishtya Apekshaniya, that which is dependent upon the Vastu.
और वस्तु वैशिष्ट
Vastu Vaishishtya Anapekshaniya, which is not dependent upon the specialities of the Vastu. Means the sadhak is on the higher stage and as soon as he see the Vigraha,
आनंद में डूब जाता है।
he feels so much bliss,
भगवान
immersed
का
in the
अहंकार
bliss.
के द्वारा सज्जित होता है,
Bhagwan is
किंतु
decorated
वो
with the
अहंकार स्वयं
Alankar,
अपने के जो है सौभाग्य मानते हैं।
but that Alankar, they feel themselves to be so fortunate that I have been worn by the Lord.
अहंकारी अपने को जो है
So Alankar consider himself to be so fortunate
ये ठाकुर जी आज
that
मुझे
Thakurji
कृपा
has mercifully accepted me, that today the Thakurji has accepted me as the ankle bells of his lotus feet. I have heard from a Vaishnav
ठाकुर जी कृष्ण के चरण कमल में
that in the Thakurji's Charan Kamal, the lotus feet, there are two
एक
nupur.
बड़ा होगा और एक छोटा।
One is small and one is
इसकी
big.
कथा भी बहुत सुंदर है।
There is a very beautiful story behind it.
श्रवण आप लोग जानते हैं भगवान रामचंद्र
Bhagwan Ramchandra,
सीता हरण के पश्चात
after the Sita Haran, kidnapping of the Sita,
शाम के समय में
in the evening time,
रोते रोते राम
Crying.
लक्ष्मण
Ram and Lakshman,
विद्या में
helpless,
बनाए।
they came back to the hut.
बुद्धि लग्न हो गई है, सीता तो हरण हो गया।
So Sita has already been kidnapped and they were searching but they could not find, so they came back in the
सर्वत्र
hut.
राम और लक्ष्मण
So Ram and Lakshman
सीते सीते सीते
saying Sita, Sita, Bhabi, Bhabi.
लक्ष्मण क्या बोले भाभी।
Lakshman was saying Bhabi, Bhabi,
रामचंद्र क्या बोले
and Ramchandra was saying Sita,
सीते
Sita.
सीते बहुत ही विरह की कथा।
So that is a very story full of separation.
प्राप्ति नहीं मिले नहीं विवास होकर के
So they could not find Sita, so being helpless, they came back. And in front of the hut, Ramchandra keeping the arrow and the bow, and just like a human, he was doing the human-like pastimes, like a lusty man in this world. Because of the separation of the wife, how a lusty man cries. Lakshman is standing nearby.
विधा के विधाता के विधान इसको बहुत दोष लगा।
So this is all the destiny, to whom we should say that whose fault is it? This is not the fault of Lakshman that Sita has got kidnapped.
एक ही साथ में दो गुण रहता है ना।
Bhagwan has two qualities at the same time, Sarvagyata and Mugdhata. Sarvagyata and Mugdhata. Sarvagyata means he knows everything, but Mugdhata, still he doesn't know anything. So these two qualities lives at the same time in the Bhagwan. Sarvagyata and Mugdhata. So he is crying, he is crying so much that just like a reservoir of the tears is coming from his eyes.
भगवान रामचंद्र धनुष के अभी
Ramchandra is holding the arrow
जमीन पर लगा
and the lower part of the arrow is touching the ground,
भगवान रामचंद्र रो रहे हैं।
and he is crying, and the tears are streams of the tears coming from his eyes, and by holding the by taking the shelter of the arrow, the tears are coming through the arrow down to the ground, touching the ground, and as soon as they touch the ground, the tears, they become red, just like the blood is flowing. Lakshman, he was looking at it, he was surprised
ये रक्त की धार कहां से
that from where this blood stream is coming.
लक्ष्मण रामचंद्र की भैया
Lakshman said, "Oh Bhaiya,
क्या बात
that
यहाँ पर रक्त की धार क्यों चल
from where this stream of blood is coming?"
रामचंद्र कहने लगे
Ramchandra said
धनुष से थोड़ा हटा।
that you move my arrow a little.
भगवान रामचंद्र के
And Lakshman, he moved the arrow a little,
बोले मिट्टी थोड़ा खोदो खोदने लगे
and then you dig
देखा क्या एक
the
बड़ा जो है
land. Then he saw a very big
और मेढक के शरीर से
मेंढक को क्या बोलते हैं? Frog. Frog was there,
तो भगवान
and
रामचंद्र
from that frog the
मेढक के
blood
कहने लगे तुम
was.
बताओ
Ramchandra said to the frog
ये खून तुम्हारे शरीर से क्यों निकला
that why the blood is coming from your body.
तो मेढक कहने लगे
The
प्रभु
frog
आप
said
सर्वम दज्जा
that you know everything. O
आप इस
Prabhu,
ब्रह्मांड के नायक हो।
you are the creator of this whole
आपके
universe.
धनुष के भार कौन सहन कर सकते
Who
हैं?
can feel? Who can carry the weight of your
जैसे
arrow?
आपने धनुष से हमारे को रखा ना,
When you kept your arrow
हमारे
on
शरीर
me,
क्या हो गया? पूरा खत्म हो गया।
so that is why my body has got a wound, and that is why the blood is coming. It is bleeding. From that day, the
वह मेढक ये कहने लगे,
Ramchandra said to the frog
सांप जब तुमको पकड़ लेता है,
that when
तब तुम क्या करते हो?
the snake captures you, then you shout,
देखा आपने?
then you shout to save yourself.
सांप जब मेढक को
When the snake captures
सांप
the
एक ही साथ में निकल नहीं
frog,
नहीं पाते।
the snake cannot eat the frog at once. So he just hold the frog in the mouth and keep on holding. And then the frog keep on making the noise ta 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 because he's having the pain. That he's saying that save me, save me. Then the snake slowly eats, swallows that frog. Then Bhagwan Ramchandra is asking that because of my arrow you have got the wounds on your body, then why you didn't shout? When the snake captures you, then you make the sound to save yourself. But when my arrow was on you, the weight of my arrow was on you, why didn't you shout? I might have moved my arrow. Then the frog said, O Prabhu, that you are the Lord of the universe. You are the giver of the punishments. You are the giver of punishments, and you are also the protector. When you are giving me punishment, then whom should I call? Because you are giving me the punishment. Who can save me? When the snake captures me, then I call you to save me. But when you are giving me punishment, whom should I call to save? Bhagwan Ramchandra, by hearing it, he got melted. He said, "Oh frog, tell me that how did you get this body of frog?" Then the frog told his previous life story that, "Oh Bhagavan, that you know everything, you live everywhere, you are omnipresent, you know past and future. Still, because of your order, I am telling you my story. In the previous life, I used to serve a Sadguru. I was massaging the feet of my Guru, and it was the Chaturmasya. And for the 4 months, I did not cut my nails. When I was massaging his feet, my Gurudev's feet, but my nails were big and sharp. And what happened is my nails, they made a wound on the feet of my Gurudev. Gurudev at the same time said, "Oh foolish, don't you know how to serve? That you have given the wound on my body, just like the frog. You are just behaving like a frog, just like when you try to capture the frog, he behaves in the same way. So you become the frog." So I started crying, holding the feet of my Gurudev. "Oh Gurudev, how I will be liberated from this body of frog?" Then my Gurudev said that in the Treta Yuga, Bhagwan Ramchandra will come. With the mercy of the Bhagwan Ramchandra, you will be liberated from this frog body. So you please liberate me from this frog body. Bhagwan Bhagwan Ramchandra pleased and said
तो मेरा शरीर से मत करो।
that I will liberate you from this body,
क्यों तुमने जो गुरु सेवा की किसी फल कुछ नहीं देना।
but you should also get some benefit of your Guru Seva.
किसी ने सामान्य रूप से कही कि गुरु सद्गुरु की सेवा करने
If someone serves the Guru very in an ordinary way, what result should I give to that person who serves the Gurudev in a very simple way,
गुरु के सामान्य पर सेवा करते हैं।
leaving all the cheating propensity? If someone serves the Guru, even maybe very small amount or in a very general way, in the Srimad Bhagavatam there is a shloka in the 11th canto.
जिस संसार में भ्रमण करते करते
That while roaming in this world, the person,
सद्गुरु प्राप्त कर लेते हैं,
when he gets a Guru,
समस्त जो है बाधा
then his all problems gets destroyed.
हमारे सामने आएंगे। मत तो जला सकते समस्त कर्म निवेदित आत्मा
This is the shloka of the Bhagavatam, 11th canto, that while roaming in this world, the jiva,
सद्गुरु के चरण
when he takes the shelter of a Sadguru,
और गुरु सेवा आदि अब करते हैं,
when he serves the Guru, the Bhagwan says
सारी
that his all
उद्धार के दायरे पर मैं नहीं सुनती।
responsibility comes on me
तो जुदा
to deliver him.
निवेदित आत्मा सद्गुरु की रक्षा पाते हैं। भगवान रामचंद्र उसी प्रकार बोले
Bhagwan Ramchandra said,
कि तुमको मेरे शरीर से मैं
I will liberate you from this frog body, but I will also give the benefits of the Guru Seva.
मुक्त हो जाना ये तो साधारण की बात
So being liberated from the frog body is a very general
किंतु
benefit.
गुरु सेवा की
But the Guru Seva that you have
ये
done,
सुना गुरु सेवा की कथा सुनी।
you have told me that you have done the Guru Seva. I have to give the results of the Guru Seva also. The Prahlad Maharaj also says,
के जितने उपाय हैं
all the solutions of attaining the Lord Bhagavad Prapti, what is the best solution is Guru Shushrusya Bhaktya Sarvalabdha Arpanena Cha.
संगीतम साधना ईश्वर आराधना हैं कितना सुंदर
So what a beautiful shloka. Guru Shushrusya Bhaktya Sarvalabdha Arpanena Cha.
जितने प्रकार की सेवा शास्त्र में दिखाया गया
All the type of services or all the type of solutions or the limbs of the bhakti has been explained. What is the best
सेवा गुरु से।
is the Guru Shushrusya,
गुरु प्रसन्न हो
Guru
जाए
Seva. Because if the Guru is pleased, then what rest is needed?
यस्य प्रसादात्
Yasya prasadat bhagavad prasado,
यस्य प्रसादात्
yasya aprasadat nagati kutopi.
सत्प्रीतम वंदे गुरु श्री चरणारविंद।
In the Guru Ashtak, we have heard this shloka. Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur writes, by the mercy of the Guru, everything happens. Guru Shushrusya Bhaktya Sarvalabdha Arpanena Cha. This is what I want to say is, the time is over.
भगवान रामचंद्र का विचार तुम कौन सा वर चाहते
So Bhagavan Ramchandra said, what do you
हो? मैं
want?
आपके चरण कमल के नुपुर बनाना चाहता
I want to become the ankle bell of
हूं।
your
रामचंद्र बोले देखो
lotus feet. Bhagavan Ramchandra said that right now I am in the forest.
इस रामलीला में
In this Ram Leela,
हमारी चरण प्रदान कर।
I cannot satisfy your desire, but in the Dwapar Yuga,
जब कृष्ण हो सका
when I will become Krishna
और नुपुर के रूप में तुम्हें
and I will accept you as Nupur.
देखो भगवान रामचंद्र का इच्छा गोविंद के जो सौंदर्य माधुर्य
The Madhurya of the Govinda,
वही चरण के नुपुर को बताएंगे।
so
किसी पुराण में
the Nupur is that frog, and in some other Puran,
कालियानाग की कथा है।
there is a story of the Kaliya Nag, Kalpa Vedeshu Sohari Katha, that there are many stories.
अनेकों कल्पों में अनेकों लीलाएं
In various Kalpa, there are various Leela.
पुराण में ऐसी भी कहा गया है,
In some Puran, it is also said
वही जो है कालिया जो है एक
that the
स्वरूप में जो है
Kaliya, in one form,
भगवान की चरण कमल की नुपुर नुपुर
that he has become the Nupur of Bhagwan's lotus feet. And in another kalpa, this frog has become the Nupur.
अपार महिमा है।
Bhagwan Ramchandra has the unlimited glories.
साधक देखा गया,
The types of the sadhak,
एकदम से साधक
all the type of sadhak,
भगवान रामचंद्र की कृपा प्राप्त करके
they get the mercy of the
कृष्ण के जो है
Bhagwan Ramchandra,
साक्षात रूप में
and
सेवा करते
they got the direct service of Krishna, like the Dandakaranya rishis.
हजारों साल तक
For the thousands of years, they were chanting the Gopal mantra. As soon as they saw Bhagwan Ramachandra,
कृष्ण की स्फूर्ति
they got
और
the Krishna's furti in their mind, in their heart, and started running after the Lord Ramchandra. Ramchandra, being Sarva Antaryami, he said, "O Munis,
हृदय की बात में
I have understood your feelings of your heart,
किंतु इस राम लीला में
but in this Ram Leela, I cannot
अपने पत्नी के रूप में
accept you as my wives,
मैं मर्यादा में बना हूं
because I am bound with the Maryada, with the etiquettes. So I have taken a vow that I will have only one wife."
प्राण जाए जरूर इसलिए ये ऋषि लोग
So, O Rishis, O Munis,
आप लोग मेरे जोग में आके
that
द्वारा
by my Yoga Maya in the Krishna Leela,
ब्रज में
in the Braj,
गोपी गृह में गोपी गर्भों में
you will take birth by the womb of Gopi,
और मेरे नित्य सिद्धार्थ
and you will become,
ऐसे गोपियों की संग के
you will, in the association of my Nitya Siddha Radha, Lalita Vishaka, you will be getting the rag towards me,
समस्त प्रकार के जो है
and I will complete all your desires in the Dwapar Yuga.
जय जय
Shri
Thank you.